Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma ne ke sngi ula Pynkup Burom ya ki Nongialehkai ki blakur jingjob haka 5th Meghalaya Games 2020 bat kumjo ya ka kinhon ki Rangialehkai ke blakur ya ka nam lado haka Khelo India Youth Games 2020 haka jingalang ke blalong ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong haka de sngi la ya don lang ka Myntri ka tanat ka kot ka khia I Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat Myntri ka tanat Sports and Youth Affairs uba Shakliar Wajri haba ai jingkren haga de sngi Myntri Rangbah ul ai khuble ya ki Nongialehkai ki blala ban penpau ya ka jingtbit bat ban wanra Burom ya ka Jylla ula khuble ru ya ka kinhon ki Rangialehkai football ka balong ka jing sarong ya ka Jylla hi barok ka we bat binrap ru da ka baong baki long ki la du bat kane ka peni ya ka jingdon ka Jylla ya ki sap Yalehkai bakerpang
responsible role to play. Today you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved.
Mereka kepada sorkar tu ai kalau sisa ngarap ingin nama apa nak ni KHASI ai nyila ban long ban kit pikir Nongialehkai ban biang kabam yang lagi nama kabam kali ban motor nyila ban pun di jing luk jing sep ini kira Nongialehkai